In this video, we look at how to organize your move and when to start packing. That's coming right up.
Welcome to Home Buyers School, brought to you by Brookfield Residential.
Hi everyone, I'm Carl Ye and welcome to another Home Buyer School video, a channel where you get the latest strategies, tactics, and tips from home buying experts. And remember, if this is your first time on this channel and you want to get the latest strategies and hear from the experts, make sure to hit the subscription button below, hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. Today I'm joined by Nate Edwards, co-founder of Virtuo, a company that helps moving and transitioning to a new home simple and stress-free. So the question we're going to answer today is, how do I organize and pack my move?
Good question. So there's a lot of moving parts. It really comes down to, well, organization. Organization is key. What I like to do, the easiest way that I found is get a bunch of Post-it notes and get a couple different colored Post-it notes. You really only have a few different options when dealing with your stuff. So you're either going to donate it to friends and family or a charity, you're going to actually move it, or you're going to be throwing things away. So once you get a better understanding of what you actually want to do and you can color code those items in your house, I think that's the easiest way.
How about those checklists that I kind of see when I did my first move, the checklist from, I think I took one from Canada Post.
Yep.
Right?
Those are amazing resources. It puts forth a good guiding principle and a guiding path of things that you should be considering, because when you are packing everything up and you are planning for your move, there's so many different moving parts, but it really helps you keep on track. You still have to do it all, but it will keep you on track.
Now, is there any other things that I need? So you've talked about Post-it notes. What else can I do to help me organize my move? Yeah,
I would say, when you are organizing it, it's important when you're packing your boxes up and you're organizing everything is to try to keep everything that's packed up in the same room. So you don't want to be packing a box in your master bedroom and then if it's only half empty, you bring it downstairs and then you start putting kitchen items into it. So, pack a box that will go into that new room from where it actually comes from. You'll save yourself a lot of time.
Now, is this something that, from an organizational point of view, do you do it all yourself, or is there actually people that can help you organize?
Absolutely. There are a bunch of services that will come in. They'll help you organize, they'll help you stage, they'll help you pack everything, they'll help you declutter. If you have an existing home that you need to sell, there are companies that will come in and just help really kind of make things a lot cleaner and simpler, pack everything up so when it does come time to move, it will be really simple. You'll know where those pieces are going.
Awesome. Another thing here that I want to know is, when should I start packing?
Now, absolutely. Once you do have a target move date, or if you have an anticipated possession date, start today. It's all those little things, and people generally tend to procrastinate, and that's what makes this moving process so overwhelming. So, if you've got a month, if you have 45 days, go start attacking the crawl space, go start attacking the basement or the shed or the garage, or those places that you don't use often, because once you have those packed up, the rest will become really easy.
Is there anything else I need to know in terms of organizing my move?
No, just do it. Take a lot of lists. It's a great time for you to go through and start purging items as well. So as you're going through, there's a lot of emotion, there's a lot of memories that come out of everything. But take notes, make lists, and just do it. That's the biggest thing, is just actually going out and doing it.
Perfect. Do you have anything else to add?
I think we're good.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much, everyone, for joining us. Make sure to watch our video on what you need to know before making your move, and we'll catch you next time.
That's another edition of Home Buyers School. Tune in next time for more expert tips and tricks. And visit homebuyerschool.ca to bring you one step closer to finding your dream home. As with everything, it would be great if you like and share our videos. Also, please let us know if you have any home buying questions you want us to answer.